All right, so I'm here with Barry Brixby, our high cash value whole life, one of our experts. And Barry, glad you're here. We just did another video, or I did one, sort of talking about some of the criticisms of whole life out there and how some of the financial entertainers that are very popular refer to old school whole life. So we want to jump in, talk about paid up additions today, right? And how there is a new whole life design that is critical for people to understand. We're not talking about your grandmother's whole life. Barry, what are we talking about? Paid up additions.
Yeah, PUA. Paid up additions is the turbocharged rider that grows cash value more rapidly, Steve. And I'll tell you, I coach and mentor hundreds and hundreds of other agents across the country. 99% of agents out there do not know about paid up additions. So if you go to your local agent and ask them to design this policy for you, they're going to be clueless. Most agents out there are selling a base whole life policy. It's all commission.
Right.
Base whole life does not have fast cash value growth. It might take 18, 20, 25 years just to equalize your cash value per the premium you've put in. But a paid up additions rider added to a base whole life policy now explodes the cash value growth. We minimize the base premium, keep the insurance costs low, and maximize PUA. Well, guess what? Most agents, if they do know about PUA, they don't want to sell it. Why? Because it reduces their commissions.
Right, reduced commissions. And this is particularly incredible to talk about this right now. We've done a lot of talking to people about alternatives to traditional banking, right? The PUA is the key, right? Because it gives you the ability to put that, say you have money in a savings account, whatever, you need a safe bucket, you can put that cash into a mutual whole life policy that's designed properly for cash value growth. And there's so many advantages to that. We've talked about it often in many webinars that you guys can check out. Good stuff.
Grow your money guaranteed. That cash value is liquid. And if done correctly, we teach our clients how to grow that money tax-free. But you're right, Steve, PUA is the key. So look at your own numbers. Make sure that the policy has the paid up additions rider, because that's what's going to turbocharge your cash value growth.
Right, and one more comment on it is just make sure you've got an expert, right? Because of the PUA needs to be the right fit within the policy. That goes to the amount of death benefit and the entire design of the policy. So
that's right. We don't want people getting into trouble with the MEC limit, crossing IRS guidelines that then makes the cash value growth taxable. There's a unique way to do this. These are properly structured high cash value whole life policies with correct companies. You can't just go to your insurance agent locally and expect that this is going to come to pass. So I appreciate you talking about having an expert to design the numbers for you.
Well, Barry, and just to kind of do a final thought, is just that some of the people that criticize whole life, they'll mention companies that are not even on the radar screen.
They're not even on our list.
So if you guys are kind of skeptical or whatever, a lot of these people don't even know the right companies. They're not even dialed into the right products. So just make sure that you really understand and get excited about this. It's a great opportunity in today's landscape.
Yeah, thank you.